Hello. Welcome to the exciting journey of learning R with Outliners AI. If you're here, it means you are ready to unlock the power of data and deep dive into the power of R programming. Here at Outliners AI, we believe that data isn't just numbers, it's a story waiting to be told. And R is the programming language that will help us tell that story. Before we get started, let me introduce you to R. This isn't just any programming language, it's a tool for clarity, a medium that can be used for precision, and a companion for anyone who seeks to understand this world of data. So, what is R? R is actually an open source programming language and a software environment for statistical computing and data analysis. So, it was created by Rose Ihaka and Rupert Gentleman in 1993, and over the years, it has grown to become one of the most widely used languages in the fields of data science and machine learning. R is famous for its ability to handle complex mathematical models and data manipulation tasks with ease and just flexibility. So, from business analytics to genomics and social sciences, R is used to extract meaning from data in a way that no other languages can. Let's begin with the key concept variables. In the world of R, variables are like key containers that can hold values. They are central to programming and they serve as a foundation for storing and manipulating data. A variable is where you store the data that can change, such as numbers, text, or logical values. Variables allow you to refer to this data later in this code, making your work flexible and efficient. So let me share my screen and show you how we can declare variables. Okay, so there are different type of variables in language of R. Suppose if how I assign variables in the language R is I basically use, for example, if X is my variable, I use this smaller than arrow, hyphen, and then write the variable name. Suppose I write 2.5 here. So once I click Control and Enter, I can see it is now stored as 2.5 here, and here my statement is executed. X is 2.5. So by default, if we declare any variable, the place that we store the data, so by default, if we declare any variable in our language, so I can write type of X and it's going to show me what type of X is. So it's showing me that it's a double. A double is a number which uses decimal points. Suppose if I want to declare another variable which is actually a string, so I can also write comments in our language using the hashtag. So I can write hashtag double. I come down and I write I want to declare an integer. To declare an integer, I can again choose y less than hyphen and 2. So I can see it's stored as 2 here. Let me check its type. Oh, it shows it's double. As I said, again, by default, variables are declared as double in our language. So if I have to assign it as an integer is a normal number which doesn't have any decimal points, I can write a L after it. Once I write a L after it, I hit Control plus Enter again, click typeify again, I can get now this is declared as an integer. This is a terminal where I can see how my executions are taking place. And this is the place where I just code. This is the place where I can see what my values are being declared right now. And this is the panel where I can see my files. So this is our R Studio, which we're going to download in the R cohort. Uh, Coming to our next variable, I can use, you probably might have studied it in your mathematics. We can discuss more on the same, but I can also declare a complex number. To declare a complex number, I can just write 2 plus 3i. Hit Control and Enter. Okay, it's saved now. I can check type of Z and wow, it's a complex number. I can also create logical things like true or false. As you all know, computers are completely in the world of zeros and ones. So how would a language exist without zeros and ones? So to declare a true or false value, that is a 0 and a 1, so I can just write logical. To declare a logical, I can see like this. T is going to be a capital T for a true value as in 1. So I can write type of T. See, now we get the error because T is not declared right now. I can just hit statement this again and then click type of T. Now I see that it's a logical now. So this is how we declare variables in our language, or we can also declare characters. Characters can be declared like this. I can hit P, which is going to be a character. If I want to declare any character, I have to put it in double quotes. So I can click A, I execute it, I see that my variable is now created for the character type. I can hit type of A, hit again enter, and I can see it's a character. So to be able to see actually that how we can operate on variables, we'll be moving to the next lecture. So just giving you a quick demo that you can maybe click on maybe sum equals x plus y. I can hit enter and type sum. So yeah, I got my answer. My sum is 4.5, which is actually the sum of 2.5 plus 2. So yeah, that's our answer. Thank you. So that's a wrap up for today's introduction to R and variables. We have just scratched the surface, but you know the fundamental concepts of variables, the building blocks of the R program. Here at Outliners AI, we aim to teach you how to harness the power of data, not just analyze, but creating meaningful insights and telling impactful stories. Thank you so much.